Alright, so here we have a '05 Chevy Avalanche. Pretty much all Silverados, GMCs and stuff like that is the same one. This is a 5.3, and we're actually replacing the knock sensors. So first thing we have to do is take off the cover that goes right here on top. It's held on by one 8mm bolt, and just take off the hose that goes between the throttle body and the master airflow sensor, which I already did. They're both over there. Pretty simple job. It has a plate on the top held on by three 10mm bolts. Replace those, and this one right here, this one's supposed to go under here. Take out this nut right here, take it out, just leave that nut in there, that way you don't lose it. Basically the only thing to do is disconnect all of your fuel injectors, both sides, and then go back around and take off, I think it's 10mm bolts all the way around the intake. This water hose here, should be another water hose on the other side. All the connectors, disconnect them, move them off to the side, and the intake should come right off. And then we have the two knock sensors on the bottom, and just replace those. Pretty simple job, but I'll get some more video later. So here we have the intake off. Here we have the two knock sensors. This connector goes right here, and it has this cover. And actually, here is a problem. That knock sensor is just full of water. So that's really all it was. Probably the knock sensor is good. It just went bad because of the water. So I cleaned that off, replaced both knock sensors to be on the safe side. This connector here for the knock sensors, if you press it on either side, it opens up. It lets you take it off the connector. As far as the connectors on this is the connector for the fuel injector, and it has this gray tab. You basically just pull the gray tab back, press it right here, and it opens up so you can take off the connector. Pretty much one of the things on this job to be more careful about is this evap hose that goes on the back of the intake back there. You see it right there. Let me show it to you. It's actually this hose right here. Goes connected here. It goes through the bottom of the fuel rail, and then it comes to the back. So if you come to the back, you just press on this side right here, pull it straight out, and that's it. I'm gonna clean all this off, replace the gaskets, replace those knock sensors, and should be ready to go. Just follow everything in reverse order, and there we go.